always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on!
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
Hello. It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A purple wiggle bug.
That's right!
Where did you get purple paint?
I mixed it myself. Want to see how?
Yes, please.
Okay, first, start with some red. Then get a little bit of blue and mix it in.
Look, it's turning purple.
Yeah, you mixed red and blue and made purple. What are you going to call your color?
I'm going to call it Perfect Purple.
All right.
Mr. Goose, look at my perfect purple. Can we make that the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting purple.
Perfect purple.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color purple. Purple is here and there. I see it everywhere. Purple is all around, in the sky and on the ground. Bum, 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 bum.
I'm crunching leaves, but only purple leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Which balloon is purple? There it is! Purple balloon. Which kite is purple? There it is! Purple kite. Which sock is purple? There it is! Purple sock. Which jewel is purple? There it is! Purple jewel. That's exactly right. It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Other Way. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. The Other Way. Written by Radha Rangarajan, illustrated by Garima Gupta. Tall like a tree, short like grass. Up in the sky is a cloud. Down in the soil is an earthworm. Light like a petal, heavy like a rock. Over the leaf is a caterpillar. Under the leaf is a dragonfly. Quick as a squirrel, slow as a snail. Birds before sunrise, bats after sunset. Above the tree is the moon, below the tree is you. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Wheels on the Bus. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me, okay?
Okay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now sing along with me. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. All through the town.
One more. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
All through the town.
Well done! Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Octopus. Octopus. Orange. Orange begins with O. Orange. On. On. off. Otter. Otter.
What letter do all these words start with?
O!
That's right, the letter O.
Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.